In this video, we're going to review how to multiply two binomials together using area models. So, the first thing I need to do is I need to make sure I identify both parts, and then I want to write each on the side, one side. So I'm going to go x and 7. I like to add the sign next to them so that I remember that they are positive. Okay? Now I need to remember x times x is x squared. X times 7 is 7x. And then 3 times x is 3x. Now the last thing I need to do, 3 times 7 is 21. Okay? Now one thing I can do to make my life a little bit easier, okay, is I can draw a circle around these two, because those two numbers I can combine. Okay, so I go x squared plus 10x is 7 plus 3x is 10x plus 21. Okay, so that's how I'm solving an area model when both number sets are positive. Now let's say I switch now let's say I have a different problem. Now I have, say, x plus 2 times x minus 4. Okay? So I still have my box. Okay, now I'm going to go x negative 4 and then x positive 2. X times x is x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. And then positive 2 times x is 2x. Then 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Okay, I do the same thing. Boom. I draw that there. Then I say, let's combine those two in the parentheses, or in the circle. So I get x squared minus negative 4 plus 2x is negative 2x minus 8. Boom. Okay? Now, the last type of area model I will see would be x minus 4 times x minus 6. Okay? Now, boom. Okay, we're also going to make this one 2. We're going to make that 2x, actually. Okay? So now I'm going to go 2x minus 6, and then x minus 4. So x times 2x is 2x squared. Now x times negative 6 is 6x. Boom. Negative 8x, because negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Then I have the x, so I make it negative 8x. Now negative 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. Boom. I like to do this. Boom. Add. Boom. So I get 2x squared minus 14x minus 24. Okay? So those are 3 examples of how I would go about this using area models. So the first step, as we saw, right on the side, we write the binomial, which is, boom, okay, one is green, one is yellow. So I write the binomials on the side. 2 multiply 3. Okay, and then 3 is I combine the interior squares. Combine the squares. Okay. Those are my 3 steps. So I write the binomials on the side, I multiply, and then I combine the squares. Boom.